If you watch this video now and you want to know if this is what you are looking for or not, let me tell you from the beginning if you are interested in the field of profit from the internet. Or let us allocate it more and be your search for profit from commission marketing or profit from affiliate marketing. Or if you dream of becoming a successful online marketer one day, you are in the right place. So slow down in your reading and pay attention to every word you hear. Because you will undoubtedly come out after reading it while you are familiar with everything related to affiliate marketing. And you will be your guide in this magical world, which is to earn money with the least effort, at the lowest cost and risk-free. There is nothing to lose in this field but some time, so it is a project whose capital is only your time and the internet. So what is affiliate marketing? And how to become a successful marketer, and what skills are required? What is and what do you have to do in this system? All you have to do is pay attention to everything in this video and being ready to go to work. Let's start. Affiliate marketing is a business in which you promote a specific product or service. For another company in exchange for a commission on the sales that result from that, which is usually determined by a percentage of the value of the commodity sold. And sometimes the agreement is on a fixed amount. Types of affiliate marketing. There are three main types of affiliate marketing. Associated affiliate marketing, related affiliate marketing, and included affiliate marketing. 1. Associated affiliate marketing. In this type of marketing, the marketer advertises the product or service he is promoting and has nothing to do with it. This entails exempting him from providing an explanation or recommendation. And advice because there is no connection between him and the potential customer and the product. 2. Related affiliate marketing. As we can see from the name, that indicates a relationship between the product and the subsidiary company. Or in other words, there is a connection between the affiliate company and the product or service. In this case, the subsidiary company has enough experience to generate traffic and its level of authority makes it a reliable source. However, the subsidiary does not make any claims about the use of the product or service. 3. Included affiliate marketing. In this type of marketing, there is a deeper relationship between the affiliate company and the product or service they are promoting. Here they have used the product they are promoting. In this case, they are confident that others can share their positive experiences, and their advertisement serves as reliable sources of information. On the other hand, since they make recommendations, their reputation may be jeopardized by any issues arising from the offer. What makes working in affiliate marketing great? When you think of working in the field of affiliate marketing, 2 reasons push you to work in this field. Firstly, it is low in costs and low in risks. It is logical that when you think about any project to make profits from it, you must incur a lot of money in it, from products, commissions, employees, rent and other such basic items. All this and you are not sure that you will win in the end. But in this project, the possibilities of gain and loss are alike. But on the contrary, in the field of affiliate marketing, all you need is a website and the internet. If you failed and did not make a profit, then you will certainly not incur many losses, except for time and very little money. Secondly, it is characterized by flexibility in dealing as it is an affiliate marketing agency. This does not obligate him to deal with one party and promote its products only. On the contrary, he can promote the products of many different companies and earn commissions from all of them at the same time. How does affiliate marketing work? In the commission marketing system, the merchant gives each affiliate company its unique link, so that they can track who is responsible for the sale. And in case someone clicks on this link, what happens in this case? A small file called a cookie is stored on their device, and the affiliate cookie does two things. 1. The merchant knows who is the person responsible for the sale. 2. The expiration date is recorded, so that you will be paid even if the buyer is late in purchasing. Here's an illustrative example of how it works. Suppose someone saw your promotional post about the best winter clothes, for example, and clicked on an affiliate link that led to a product on Amazon. However, at present, he was not able to complete the purchase process due to his association with dates outside the house or for any reason whatsoever. And when he returned in the evening, he returned to Amazon to complete the purchase, to find the product again. And on the occasion of entering Amazon, he decided to buy some other sports supplies. You are here in this case of good luck. Why? Because when that person clicked on your link, a profile was stored on their device. Thus, you will get a commission on winter clothes and also on sports supplies even though you did not promote them in the first place. How much money or how much profit can you make as an agent in the affiliate marketing field? The logical answer to this frequently asked question is that there is no specific limit that we can mention to profit. The matter here depends on your competence and the amount of work you do. All I can tell you is that successful affiliate marketing achieves 6 to 7 figures per month. But I remind you that these people did not reach this success until after hard work, which took them several years of struggle to reach this level. If you are just starting, do not let frustration slip away from you. Others have persevered and struggled and reached this success. Their success tells you that with hard work and proper planning, you will one day reach these levels for sure.